Hey, hi. Today I will teach you how to find LCM of two or three numbers by division method. First, I will take an example. I will take two numbers first, 2 and 3. First, what we have to do, you have to just write the prime numbers from least to highest in the order for your convenience. Okay, so we know I've already explained in a video what are prime numbers and all. So prime number starts from 2. Prime numbers start from 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc, etc. I've already explained prime number is a number which can be divided by 1 and the same number itself. No other numbers can divide the prime numbers. I have explained in detail in the previous video, in the old videos. Okay, check once. Here I said this prime number starts from 2. Don't take 1. 1 is not prime number, 1 is not composite number. I have already explained. Now what you have to do, write these given two numbers in this way. 2, 3. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to take the first prime number and divide those two numbers. How we have to do it? Very careful. See, when you take number to divide, among these numbers any one, at least any one should be divided by the number you take. Okay, so here if you take 2, these 2 can be divided completely but not 3. We need at least one should be divided completely by the prime number we take. Okay, so here 2 is getting divided, so you can take this to divide these two. Now I will take, no, 2 can be divided by 2, like 2 ones are 2. Okay, this 3 cannot be divided by 2 completely. We can divide, but completely without any remainder, this 3 cannot be divided by 2. I mean, if I say divide it completely means when we divide a number by some number, that number should get divided completely. There should not be any remainder. Here 2 can be divided by this 2 completely without any remainder, but 3 cannot be divided completely by 2. So you have to take this 3 as it is. Okay. I will write in same color. Okay. Okay. Yeah. For better understanding, I will use another blue color for this. Now, now what you have to do in the next step also, you have to try to, you have to check whether I can divide those two numbers, or any one number at least can be divided by this prime number itself. If you take the same 2, should not go for this 357. First you should check this first one only. If any one of these two cannot be divided by this one, then you have to go for next. Okay, see here we have 1 and 3. You take 2. Take 2. 1 cannot be divided by this 2 completely. Correct? 3 cannot be divided by this 2 completely. At least if at least any one is divided completely by this 2, we can take this 2. But here both are not getting divided completely by this 2. At least one is not divided completely by this 2. So what you have to do? You have to go for this next number 3. 3 I have to take. Why 3? See, I said any one should be divided by 3. 1 cannot be divided by 3, but 3 can be divided by 3 completely. So I am taking this 3. So this 1 cannot be divided by 3 completely. So I will keep it as it is. I am just using different colors to make you understand. Next, these 3 can be divided by this 3 completely. How? 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now we got 1 ones here. Here one more important point. When you get all numbers as 1 in the final row, that time you have to stop the division. Then don't take this line. Okay. Since in this row both are ones, you have to stop the division. So now LCM is what? Now see, as you should not consider this once now to find the LCM. Okay, just I will circle this. Okay, don't take this to find LCM. So then which numbers you have to take? The prime numbers you have taken to divide these numbers. You take all the prime numbers. Which are those? We have taken 2 and 3. Okay. Now take these 2 and 3. 2 comma 3. Now take the product of these two. That means multiply. 2 into 3 is equal to what? 6. So 6 is the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Now I hope you understand. Now I will explain you by taking another examples. Here I took 2 numbers. I will take 3 numbers and I will show you how to find LCM. I will take 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So as in the previous example, you take the sequence of prime numbers from least to highest. Same thing only. See prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, etc., etc., etc. So as in the previous example, you write these given numbers in this format. 2, 3, 4. Okay. In the previous case, they had given two numbers. Here they have just given three numbers. That's all. The process is same only. So consider the first prime number. Check any one. At least one of these given numbers can be divided by this two completely. Yes, see, these two can be divided completely. There is another number is also there for that also can be divided by these two. So I am taking this two here. Okay. Now see this two ones are 2. Next, these 3 cannot be divided by this 2 completely. I am taking this as it is 3. Next, 4. 2 2s are 4. Got it? Yeah. Next, in the next step also, you consider the same first number. Check at least any one. Now these numbers can be divided by these 2 completely. Yes. Here 2 can be divided by this 2 completely. So again I am taking same number 2. Okay. See? This 1 cannot be divided by this 2 completely. So you take this as it is. 3 cannot be divided by this 2 completely. So take this as it is. Now this 2 can be divided by completely by 2. So 2 1 2 ones are 2. Okay. This is 2. Now again in this next step, same take this first number, prime number. Check any one of these three numbers can be divided by this two or not. Here you can see one cannot be divided by completely. 3 cannot be divided by completely by this 2. 1 also cannot be divided by 2 completely. So you have to go for next number. What is that? 3. 3 I am taking here. Okay. Now see 1 cannot be divided by this 3 completely. You will take this as it is 1. But 3 can be divided completely by this 3. So 3 ones the 3. Okay. And this one cannot be divided completely by this 3. So you keep this one as it is. Okay. Got it? I said in the previous example, when you get all ones in one row, that time you stop the division process. So don't write this line. Okay. Now in the previous example also I said to find LCM, don't consider this ones. Consider only the prime numbers which you have taken to divide the numbers. Which are those? Here. Okay. Now consider these prime numbers 2, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 2, 3. Okay. Now find the product of these numbers. I mean multiply. See, 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to what? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This 12 is the LCM. So, LCM of 2, 3, 4 is equal to 12. I hope you understood. See, anything related to my teaching or related to this topic, if you want to say anything, please mention in the comment. I will move accordingly. And if you like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.